Hello everyone. So this is the demo video for feature NetWitness CrowdStrike integration. So as part of this feature, we will be integrating NetWitness with CrowdStrike, and we will be taking some actions like isolating a host and unisolating a host with CrowdStrike agent. Now to integrate, we will be requiring the NetWitness. We'll be requiring CrowdStrike client ID and client secret, so that those details need to be fed in the Explorer page of Response Action Server under NetWitness Response Connector CrowdStrike. So here you need to configure the client ID and client secret provided by CrowdStrike, and the host where the CrowdStrike environment is hosted. And if you are using proxy, you need to set accordingly. And if you are using SSL, then it had to be set true. And if you are using any cert-based authentication, then you have to set true and false accordingly. So once these are set up, we have introduced two new response actions out of the box, which are contain host and another one is lift containment on host. Once you take the quick actions from in incident or alert pages, then you will be seeing these two options there as well. So you can select either of them as required. Once the actions is taken, we audit those entries here. So now this is in snapshot. I'll give you a demo right now. So here, yeah. So first thing is that we need to do the integration of NetWitness and CrowdStrike. So for that, we need to go to the Response Action Server Explorer page. And you will see this NetWitness Response Connector CrowdStrike in the left side, where you need to click, and then you need to input all the required details here. So this is client ID, client secret, and the host. And if we are using accordingly, all these fields need to be provided. Once we are done with the setup, we can check the response actions which is provided out of the box, which are the one where the connector type is CrowdStrike. So these are the two: contain host and lift containment host. Most of the fields are uneditable for this, non-editable, but there are fields that you can still edit, that is description, or if any applicable meta that you would like to add, we can add it here. Same goes to lift containment on the host as well. Most of the fields are uneditable, only the description and applicable meta can be edited. Now, how do we take the actions? So from either from the incident page, so that we can take the, as we know, we can take the quick actions from several spaces: incident, alert, or investigate pages. So you can go to the any incident here, and after investigating, if we see that I would like to contain this particular host, so I can click it here and take quick action. It will be listing out all the options which is available. So right now, this is for the CrowdStrike, managed by CrowdStrike. So this is the one we are trying to test. So we'll click on contain host, continue, and then we'll give any message here. Click on confirm. So here you will see a message also whether this action is successful or failed. Also, we audit this action history. So in response action page, you will see this button, view action history. So here you will have all the auditing. We are auditing all the actions which is taken. So right now we try to contain a host, but it failed. So if you click here, we will see the reason as well here. Failure reason is the host we are trying to contain doesn't have any respective device ID. It means that this particular IP doesn't have any, I mean, it is not related to CrowdStrike at all, like that. Similarly, let's see, I have another IP address here, which is actually a CrowdStrike agent where it is running. So I can try to take quick action on this. So contain host. confirm. Now we can see the message that it successfully performed the quick action. We can check the same in response action history here again. So you can see this is giving the success message. To lift the containment on the same host, we can just go to that particular event again and just click on quick action here and click on lift containment on host. So this is about this particular feature. Thank you.